Nze lujja omulungi atulaba mwebali kubanga mugoya video zaffe ez'enjawulo tuli mu program yaffe y'emikolo n'embaga era ng'olunaku olwaleero twegasse ku mukyala Jojo akoze okwanjula oba kuyita okuhingira okw'omwami we Sam Omunakenya. Alese omwami we Omunakenya eri bazadde be era nga enteekateeka yo nnungi nnyo okubira ddala mu kifaananyi nga wookiraba emabega olaba amaka wootunuulira engeri gye bategese tent then wootunuulira aba like events bo bakoze kuteekateeka byakulya juice byonna babiteeseteese bulungi era nga mu mbeera eno like events njagala obba bajjukiza nti twali nabo ku mukolo gw'omwami Kawooya omugagga Kawooya gwe muzze mulaba ku internet so olwaleero ne Jojo n'agamba nabo bamuwe services ennungi eza dessert ebyokulya emmere juice buli kimu bagabe like events yebe ekikola ate nga like events njagala obategeeza nti sound byonna babiteeka ku mukolo gwo decoration kyonna ky'obaagaza osobola okubeera ng'ate ukifuna bulungi ng'olina aba like events.
Tuli bakozi ba like events now 5 years.
5 years nga tuli mu market nga tuli mu business you guys bambi tubeyanziza nnyo mwebale twagala ba clients baffe mwebale tu supportinga mwebale tuyitanga buli lunaku ne mutwesiga naffe tubasuubiza tugenda bawa ekituufu.
Enamba yaabwe weri awo wansi osobola okuba ng'obakubira nako naye nga bwe tutunuulira omukolo gwa Joan n'omwami we Sam guvuddeyo mu kifaananyi abagenyi be abalungi batuuse mu budde bambadde bulungi Joan anyumye omwami anyumye Omunakenya alina laavu eyaddala so mukyo muzikirize tubeere nga tubawaata ebifaananyi ebigazi byonna nga webitambula ku mukolo guno omulungi nga tusinzira wano e Najjeera. Nze lujja n'ettone osobola nawe okuba nga otukubirako oba nga oyagala atukolera ekifaananako bwe kiti tukwate omukolo gwo tuguteeke ku mutimbagano ekyo fe abasinga okuba nga tukitegeera era bangi batwesize era tetulina gwe tudisappointinze mu mbeera gye tugabamu ekifaananyi kyaffe ate ne commitment okulaba nti tutuukiriza omukolo gw'omuntu okulaba nga guvaayo bulungi. Awo wennyini katwegatte ku mukolo mufune byonna nga bwe bitambula.
Kali kamwijana muzinani mwijana mushemererwa n'ekyo kyabareetera kuzina kushemererwa omuka y'abandi
mwenu nentwaza yitu buriijo kushemererwa
entwaza yangahi nimurgahi
nturuga omuri Kenya turi abaruo
watu wa Kenya wageni witu tunabashemerewa tunashemererwa kubareba sana. Tuna furaha kuwaona wageni wetu wa Kenya. Kinachopata
I've been advised that the people who came in dancing are not part of entertainment. So we are wondering and we would like to know who these people are. Aba batweshesha muturyo mbitu nabutegerize nari nabandi nindeba bija bebembirwa mushija wamani konkanyo nani ngira ngo abandi bashitame. May the rest sit down and then we talk to whoever is leading them. naro runyankore no rumanya
ego ni banyamunonga akuba
na n'Kiswahili
n'Kiswahili nacho ni nchimanya yawa uchimanya tuija kuchigamba
that combination is shanuryo w'amahibwe
apana bindu w'amahe
twakwakira n'abantu bawe
ayinje twachira
for us in among the Banyankore. We welcome people and then we ask them where they are coming from. So you are most welcome.
Thank you so much.
Though as we are here on behalf of the entire clan and neighborhood and friends and relatives here, we would like to know, who are you? What has brought you here? Where do you come from? Muriyabanka hi icyabareta haniki kandi kumwe mwahaba nabwe tubahabura umuhanda tubore cyo gwabareta mugariki
azuma muzeyi twahaba akuba kumujana twahaba nija bamaze kutwinjira hariya hageti babatavikize kushitama bakatuhereza chamushana tukarya tukashimerwa tukazina ko kuwareba benu okugarukamu nyowe n'abantu banje abo kureba abiwikiza kushitama muzeyi itwe tukurga hari munonga kandi turuga umihanga rya Kenya unkana
rya Kenya rwasere nangogo gugundi turire gundi ngo aburire Kenya atkana mwatwishisha
turire bozi nkejo ya gundi nka gundi bamufunere ari majango ari umihanga ryituko nka gundi bamufunere mwe nari ya mu Uganda ayitwija futayaya unkambenu ndakusibizeyo itwe nturuga district ibarkweta Bondo kubuna nagambire mu Kenya kandi umuruka wo mu county bakweta Siaya still mu Kenya kandi tribe yitu tugabaruo in fact kubentu buraza atwizire batujana no mu Uganda mu tribe nayo bakweta ruo so ngwenu ni just strangers muzei wa umihangeri ninga nangona na kwirahihi umukeje baza kutarwa strangers mnonga abo kugira ngo sharinga ejo tribe kandi mwenu twine tukurga family tukurugamo turuga family mpango eyumwami Samson Maira direct we muzeyi witu he passed on unkambwenu warukuzara the bigger part of this family yokurebaha yes mama mnonga kandi mbwenu kosi n'umuntu w'amana umnija yebembireho inda kusize izina rye bamweta Sam Maira Dur kora inshideze ukwisha kureka kwibutaro bwahari twabashigaho twikiriza takatubinje.
So you have been sent by my friend Ruto.
I would say yes no hakuba unojirangu yakakumanya mutijo mu Uganda bakakora bahaboda busia harikari immigration imetendera nyingi munonga ka aboja mtwija ligare nesto antwija ho mission antwija ya very also legal. That's why you see in this big number we passed at the order
when turetero yashimu ijana na n'ibyari kumu you have come legally. We bring our lawyers out
if you would like because we are here legally but we would request that you extend that line of the legal path.
Okay hati mwenu you have come legally hati shimwe babahoereza kutwara restinga shi mwija kutwara umukoti katari bamenyi b'amateka. What have you come legally to do?
Mazima mzee twija watwara mukoti ninga kwenda amateka gona yewe na group yanje yo kureba twija kuronda mukago umukeje mazima kandi gana twahaba twantwije muka yamze Arson bino mugisha so niyo kwitwantwije kandi twantwije abantu duboreza umahanda twaraba tugira ngo no haha twahaba so tuja kuronda umukago mazima
mwija kumwana ekaya Arson Binomuci twabakira na nikoti yanjye kandi sumurre yona natandika kandi kutina ntabaci mwe twabakira mwe bari kwija
amazima bebari
ejeke yimwijamo. This is the house of Arson Binomuci. You are most welcome.
Thank you so much.
So it looks like you are in the right place. Konkashi ekambuza abazeyi no babamanya mbuze muzeyi Arson nabamanya
Muzeyi Arson iteka munatumanya indekateka
otekateka
munatumanya
kono mwenda ko babanwane be ite kumwe n'umwenda ko babanwane bitu katine shonga wajangwa abana baba bahire cyo kurya
baba tiye cyo kurya mazima ashitereza twasima munonga
ate noreba bitwite nakugambira I've already told you even Ruto is my friend. So if you want to be our friend, no problem.
Please.
No wasabu mushtame tubabanwani tuganire twaturiyaho mu birthday party. Mushtame murye keki tuganire kumuraheze tumugariki.
Urashobora nuko nyoho gontere kamwe ko yongeraho kamwe. All right.
Okay, mwenu amarwa ganje twagikiriza
webare munonga muzeyi webare munonga
ecyo mukashiterire mu ngaro z'amane otyo mbwenu mwajyango n'umwenda ki
tujya kuronda mukago mukeji ngwenu
nahora wajyango n'umwenda mu cyokushwe azamanyo otaba ko wagire kushabe nimi omucyo wiza kushwera hata haretwa hakibikindi tumugera ngo okay yiro otyo omucyo mwija kushwera omwija kushaba umukomu noha
no bamweta
Joani ba Joani twine binja hamushinja we
onka hiaroho particular Joani uturu kumanya twena tushitamiyaha kandi niwe mazumu twija kwakira umukeje
ati mbwena
kushwera
ntakusibizeyo amarwa ganye katwabira bo ganywa reka nsindi cyo mwana andetere ba Joani abaryo munju hazanshabena nabishiki avine ntachweka no manyitomba nyankore. We have our traditional drink which is called entachweka, which means since you have come to be our friends, you should never leave this family, you should always be our friends. So I'm going to request
never leave this family.
Our daughters, please murete ntachweka. Nshabena chairman andondera y'abasigazi bihe ho inshoga ya marweji hamwe na n'umwana mu ndondere umwana wo kwandetere ba Joani ibyo byona tubikora umurundo gumwe.
So once it's given to you, you drink it at once. Do not leave it inside. Yes, in case you leave it inside, you will also stay here. Sasa asante kwa kuja kutafuta mapenzi, tunawapenda sana sana.
Asante sana MC bana.
Mimi nataka DJ apige wimbo apige wimbo ya Nameless na Sinzia likikuasa. Asante. Asante. nze mbanjuleje ogomu kino mureba
imureba je mno
kanchigambe omu Swahili. Let me say this in Swahili.
ongea
Huyu bibi Google yakitakaya ngakora. Huyu ni bibi mkubwa kutoka Harvard University. Do you know Starbucks? Country manager Starbucks. Huyu ni country manager Starbucks. And Starbucks is for our friend. Huyu
nani?
Personal assistant wa King of England. This one, she stays in the Royal Palace in UK.
I see her.
So she used Uganda Airlines while coming.
Okay.
This small slender lady, she was supposed to represent Uganda in Miss World, but her flight got delayed. Yaguma hakongano wa Miss World dogo.
Mungana kwenda represent Uganda.
Ata kuna meba
Imureba mnonga.
ogunuwe doctor wa timu ya Arsenal. So the reason as to why Arsenal is having injuries is because she's in Uganda.
She's in Uganda.
Kala karukeyo Arsenal will win the Champions League.
We hope so.
Yes. This one here you see.
Yeye ni nani?
Huyu na smile vizuri.
Yeye una smile vizuri.
Na smile vizuri. Do you know she's the chief engineer of Boeing A330 Neo of Uganda Airlines. This one, chief engineer.
Good to meet her.
Perfect. So they all use the planes. They are used to planes. They need air tickets back to go and bring Joan. So anyway, that air tickets was.
And what you said, I can confirm.
Yes.
That there is no Joan in this group.
There is no Joan.
For me, what I would do. I have a picture of Joan. If they could easily see.
No, let me see.
Kindly show them, because Joan is in this picture.
So Hati,
kindly
go and bring this one.
At Joan, no, narration Joan. Kama heleze ya tiketi.
Yes.
Ebatware. Ya tiketi ebatware banetere Joan mazima abishengezo nimunetere Joan ya ticket 1 ya ticket 2 ya ticket 3 ya ticket 4 ya ticket 5
ya ticket 6 ya ticket 7 webali no SF Sumheres, no SF Sumheres,
SFC bajangwaina masasi.
No, chili okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
But even if you add me because I am in charge.
Until you bring Joan.
Until I bring Joan.
Please.
It's okay. Sasa, huyu, wewe unamwangalia. Huyu ni profesa.
Profesa.
Jambo
madam.
Natoka Germany. CEO Mercedes Benz.
I see that color.
Yes. Color. Perfect. This one. This one. This one. Nobody no. She was supposed to be Miss Kenya.
Oh.
Yeah. But they deported her to Uganda.
Oh, we welcome her still.
This one you see, part of you. Yes. This lady you see, with her beauty and her nice color,
yes.
She's also a lecturer at Oxford University.
In fact, she resembled my lecturer. She must be the one, I think.
What does she teach?
She teaches microeconomics.
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes.
This one teaches football. This one, she's a psychologist.
Okay.
Yes.
Good to know.
This one is Obama's best friend.
Wow.
Our girls are international.
Wow.
And we know Obama is from your country. Sasa, huyu bibi anamanya Obama. Anajua Obama.
Yeah.
So,
yes.
Omuryamu.
Mkajua ni atandika kwisha. I can assure you, Mr. MC.
Etoka mrewe.
Lazima jua ni atandika kwisha hapo. Hakuba ainekana ngeji sibizeo. Kandi ndeba bajwa nabona bisha. Lazima bamukahihi. Umukareji.
Okay.
So I would still make a request. Ladies. Mugarucheyo. Muretere Akanjero nizina kumwita Chichoncho Joan. Sigo mazina ge yabra nakagambire rindi. Unkamwe ikamutegereze kandi kamaheze transport.
Yes.
Kwenda mugende mundetere Chichoncho Joan. Nubundi inzire mazima.
Chinesho kabona batero mu ngaro. Aha. Romanya bishibita abantu bakunda transport.
Transport kama
Ijo watambiye transport ko kahino waguruka. Okay.
Tamara kakanyu terebe jinsi mutakweshe teji kabya shaba kama bayo. Ibure. Nakabuyana nakita turejendrete jikimkane gambizi komikena neza nziri kaboroga za sandra cyamaganga zikashagana ntata mikatagaza ntenjebeza n'ingitukuma. Ibure. Kabra mtunga ikajigombo kanarwagajwe nsindiza gimitwana rwasinika mu koconca marinde kagambura munashwambirize kabagana nyane mzubika ndikamagazanya wanenge. Ibure. Akwanga bimabona bari bashobirwe basheshe kandi bakiteza katara katesi mu mwanya kamusanya mitemo toka from gutokanyire ko cyoma cy'ikipatu kubacwe kambare. Ibure. Akritacuraga n'ikebwa kumwe bazukande ke mutumenya urangira waza. Ibure. Kabara barakita amacu mukundi itenga niko ndibarwana katakanje katabatinda kakambe zishinzwe bihenda. Ibure. Ese kwa burenye kakiteraction akata gatekirima katwatamishe punktu imashira nkore. Gumur. Bero bana bamara. Katwarire, katanire, reka twisomya ko. Rush. Tamara kagani bojo, hamara kagani yego. Hamara kagani bojo. Hamara kaganyu yego Yabana baba weya yakundi bambine yego Yani mutaritina yego Yabakwatira hango manzane yego Aza tuzanira abakenyi yego burasha Echaruka kama echenzi kumuna eko mnakora sana ekundi wambine mutambine kwena mubarakoka Watata Awakazi bitumwa chara migongo Haza kibuke teza mani burasha Watata burasha
Omwami Simon
awanisebo mzee
hati mweno
mzee
naba nikushaho yetegereze azo yetegereze je ebera huro kimye bitakweza je babisimure
mzee
Johan para abatari mwomo kusiburuka
ijafta hamasa
mpa
obeshima jirangu izba iheta kwera hizba bagiriye ndogane kunkamene rizoba ni kanyangu sturojirwe mazima baba takubasa identify ngumryaba abikibarunji umushoto kwenda wakweta Joan twija gashiraya konka twija gashiraya konka ngweno unchize yete aha bantu binija nabo bije banagwe banyambo nko identifying barebe yenda ngete assista bomugore witu umwami Samsoni sisters be bije banyambo nko identifying
icyo ni cyikirizibwa.
We have come with this gift and we presented it to you before from our brother Sam. He has given us this gift to bring it to you as a sign of love. He tells us that he loves you so much. Let me first give you this beautiful flower from him as a sign of love. This gift here he has given to us to bring for you. It is full of fruits. There is apple, there are berries, oranges. Because he loves fruit so much, he says that we will always make for him fruits. Yeah, juice. He loves juice so much. So these are the fruits. And chocolate is here, and some bite biscuits. That you will have peace when you are together. You will always have peace and enjoy the bites. He also gave us the flowers to bring to you. This flower has different colors. The yellow color. He told me that you are sunshine. You are his sunshine. The yellow flower means you are his light. And there's a green one that means life. You are life to him. Yes, there is also white. He says that you are like an angel. So he has given us that we present it to you. We love you so much and we welcome you to our family. We love you.
So Joan nanishaba oyemerere oze kurono mutu wawe ujobere tombasire umuri tombasire.
Welcome, my dear in-laws. Thanks for coming. My uncle, my auntie, my tata, my mama, bakuru banje, barumuna banje, abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago. Umuntu w'umushirire wundi ubuzira omubenji.
Mr. Samson, you're welcome to our home. Thank you. Samson, tunakuachia. Karibu Mumakagitu. Perfect. Ninyendamo hurtize jipati. Yaza kumujweke mpeka na Jonas naza kubanza kutahichi muri karahize Sam ambebe vinda vimwetu kote. Mabugaro. Sam, you can do the Lord's work.
Thank you so much. Good evening. Well, today is a special day that we thank God for giving us the opportunity to see what has been planned before coming into reality. Before me is a true beauty. If you want to know one thing that God made perfect is this lady before me here. I love her so much, and I want to thank Uganda because you have produced the best. I appreciate you, my love, and I also want to thank your family because you've raised a wonderful woman who is going to be a great mother and a wife to me. As a sign of my commitment to you going forward, I want to give you a ring. It's going to show the bond, create a bond between us as we go forward before we have or launch an official wedding in Kenya or next month on the 14th of December.
Aho mshijo munyankore nayo akirempeta wabano ujwareji unogera tana kushwira unogera ati yamushwera cyakwa obugalo ekepeta
Parish Priest Rubingo Parish, Chizoa Chidikonare, West Ankole Diocese. Ali nkanye bamushabe kika church yone yaha kika. Oguno mchebezo wanje kaka muntora ndeye ya mushure tukunze. Kama wita simwe. Banyeta Flavia Mtatina na nyende part of this family. Yomchebezo w'omwahure
amazina tumwebaze Harriet mukuru w'ekyanga Rubingo Parish.
Praise the Lord. I'm Mujinka Fred, head of Leyte, Rubingo Parish.
Kama simwe munonga kitaka shitamire tsa kwanza tugwambe ekigambo kya Mukama leero tugumisa muntu shitama nayine shomeraho Genesis chapter 24 starting with verse 56. Okutandika eshura yabe nina okutandikira harunyerere rwa 5 na 6 yabagira ati nkoko Mukama ahiro rugendo rwanje omugisha mutanduzaha kureka mundage ngarice owa Mukama wanje. Mukama simwe bantu ngwe tukwenda kubatuza oba bujenye buhanga yabuhereza omugisha omishiti witu tutushabera tusima munonga ite tujya abanyankore Tugabushenyi district zagambo Nyankore sima munonga omishiti witu Joan tukurangire church yaheze byayo atusigarize okuhereza omugisha okagenda gyo mushwerwa oburkwira byona bya church atebekanise je twabera twamuranga byona byagenda je ite kali Rubingo Parish twine shogayira na Joan pastor okugenda je n'omugisha Ngani ngukuhanga nyiro bushoro bwanye mu kishataka kutuza ukaba kuhereza mu kiwo no mushinja wawe. Ubuza mukaki. Batira bati katwe tomwishi tumbuze ayegambere kwena lizo wakati buze Joan ngobu rutaka abantu gambe byitu kato mubuze turecara tugambe baye tarebeka bambuza bati no ikiza kugenda no bomushisha kwena Joan no ikiza kugenda no bomushisha ayibone ikiza wena uyache hamisa bishe mwichitu tumutera mungana no kumshabira mucha haleluya Rebeka omucha Rebeka yimuka nabazana be batembe ngamira bagenda noko mushisha mukama sibo munonga mwena lizoba ebero tubatugamira liko minabena ya Desemba abe kantu kusharango otembe obane nyonyo bano motoka okuzakenya no mushisha wawe mukama batwale je mukama bebembere mukama balinde mukama bahosinje kwese takubasa kubereza katushabe sima munonga tanga witu webale tumanya ngo babushere ni wabuteka tekire nawe omushituwita kata kubasa kuchomanya Joan munaisha kusherwa Kenya ese nemba baze skurgari we kanu kyomwe muteka tekira future ye mwero ikirizo kwa labe naza kuza omwebembere hanga witu omhere yobusinje kwese takubasa kuhereza shabaro tende kwabo bobushere moyo wana nkokutata ushe kwabo rukwera ekoro tende kwabo bobushere rugumize muri ryo rukwera mukama twebembere byone byakorwa mu mwanya ogu byahisize na ryo rukwera shitinsa ukishagwana ngo ushobozi kubona tatitwe no mwana moyo rukwera kwebembere Rebeka kwebembere Joan no mushisha wawe kwebembere bona abayo mwanya ogu abarazi kugenda mu ngendo kumenite twena kutaturgaho kurugati no kusya ebere byona nipendera kusiba munongo mwana Arson nkachachi ya bingo tukisa munonge chitinsa webale kutweta iwe no mukazi wawe kados ugakosime ukabsheni kuisha kunchwe chitanguhi awabwira muntu kusika hwekaye akisha kuno mutajewa kandi masomanite tubakunda mwebale kukunda rubingo chacho kuiganda Joan kama konchi tendereza
ati twaza kuzo mukwinjira nanisha babazire ba Joan Jaha. And I also request the parents of Sam to also come here.
Kandi Kenya hariente munju munonga harihe byanzi 12 harihe shabo Joan no bereba umunoza kumanota mwamateno ochunda hariho ejipacket nayo kweshezente ente to kubasa kustumbo tine bwato abanyangore ninjambo echo nichumanya muyine kujiro bwato bwente ente zaba stine bwato duswa edina nubadiye tichuba eti nemboha erikubohere ente wano za kujikama ebindi nabyo byegambera mukama sirimwe hakiwa yasakagira ndebya kisari mbehe kisari nebya hanga mbehe hanga twaheze bya hanga hatuge habya kisari mbwene kifueke kindi
yebali andifarabya ebyasigala nibyebyo omugamba akuza kwegambira omwebuki
aza mpamarika ganyu abanyakenya nkevuka mwina ngwe abantu mwendezaka bakama igwandirita mwisezemero mutebe cyangwa ikagamiza mutago byakwekwaza giturame shange nawe zosheni getamiza gentre dagirima ga Buganda iki cyambe cyangere tera hamwe ko namashuko ga murisho gagambe pango za ko brongo bakanyuraza ngo bwesira ba mutajora iki shanga cyice cyane kitando mukashira kivuruka kigaga cyangwa bicere fure pritigira kuzambo bwesira ba mutajora ekansi meyantere gagente begargo majinyiza muyaga mashuka murisho mugatera kiribishisha bya mukanda Iurwa mtunga kwa chingozi gushana marwa gatake nturejeka tutume chikomi cyane nete za kamanya kenya mwije gushanya mbare rwo bushaka burusa rwa rwatama 10 taguza mpange tategereje rwa kashema itata kusiora na masyabazi kikambu cyanta matwita mketana make kurejo kakagande sike birambe bwe butakishariza urwa rwa matyabazi gashoro yanjwe kiziba cyakabungi kateri kaburwe cyukikasimu karwa gatira gatina matyabazi kutukazagitwaramo Katabikana zacu mukanaga bitatsi byakagongera ikiyambere ntezabyambe kawari kamkurwa nazo brongo bwa kangunga isatura kinigirira isase nakantu butenga karingana zeno kibiza kamarteke magekwe kutsota rwa murisha rwangi iteze cyatwo mu rukondo tezatsibika kejo meje kweteza kumujuka kamunga enteza ko mushuka mitobi y'icyo kamake kumagwane byaje kwa gangster Kenya na Zimbabwe Ibanza na murisho bahasa kanyonza kakegera kashobora karunyana cyumba cya rugambo kikanga cyambe kiteze cya cyero tonga rwa myanyi munanga bwatina murefu ga rugambo cya byampuga kagoro cya cyaboneka munango yakwerwa cengera muzika kaza za rwa cyaba eko kibiri yagmetete kachuka menetse bakajya bashambe mwendo za sabaguma batagikunzira bacyo bitanchiza kiname na kina kajoro ko muzira ginyoro tanyagera kashuka shomtwe bazuze mechirinto ikagira fika kwatesha kamekateli kenda bagikuna tabaguzirika zigisha nemba bazurukaje gisho cyuza kumitagira yabita bashamye na mwenda bajangiye kitomera bagashunga na mushikajana mihunda biro kugana nyisha na mata ikundire.
My fellow elder, I'm giving you my daughter, Joan. I'm requesting you to take care of her. She has no any scar on her body. Please take care of her. If in case you have some problem with her, you have a choice to return my daughter back. But she's a nice lady. She's a good wife. She's everything. Take care of my daughter. I thank you.
To be careful, to care how very well.
Hello. This is assurance we are going to take care of her. If you look at her, there is no dent. So one day, if he comes back, you will not see any dent on her. Again, we are going to give her security. Make sure she stays safe. And thank you very much for giving me a nice lady. Our grandmother comes from Uganda, so it means history repeats itself. Thank you very much. Again, we are from Western Kenya. The lady also comes from Western Uganda. That's wonderful. We are Luos. Where the lady comes from is where His Excellency comes from, Manakabuta. We Luos, we have a political leader, opposition, Engineer Raila Odinga. So we have something in common. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Joan, welcome to Raila Odinga's family. Joan, tears are opposition. But thank you so much. Please, we can take back our seats. Hey, before we go, Let me invite the church to come and bless.
Mureke tushabe. Mukama abalinde. Mukama abaha obusinge bwese gye takubaasa kuheereza. Mukama olinde Joani ahiyaza. Mukama tubakukwasa obushwere bwabo obweza obuheereza omuki. Shagwalanga obushobozi bwona kati twe n'omwana omweru kwera kubalinde kubebembera obushwere bwanyu. Kwebembera abaziire ab'omu Uganda n'ab'omu Kenya. Twebembere twe n'omugisha gw'okutazuka okuruga hati n'okusya ebiro byonna. Amina.
Ogumize muno kushavuka kandi ogumize muno arahanga ogu otamutsiga enyuma nakweshengereza gumiza muno okunda arahanga nk'oku obeine oshaba ekyakushobera uzarahanga ekyakukora kubi z'amaju gawe nka buriijo nk'oku okora nk'oku otoha nootweta through of us otiine ekyanshobera tukore tuta reka tushabe mbwenu gumiza muno oshaba omu maka gawe ogu nkahu waza nimani bibasa kushoboka byashobamu konko omushaija ogu otamutsiga enyuma nka buriijo nk'oku okukora gumiza muno oshaba guma amaju gawe kandi rahanga ogu niwe arakora buri kimwe kyona reka rahanga abesho abe nyoko abe buri kimwe kyona abe kika kyawe akubaho waza tukuza kukurata konko yine rahanga ndiwe ndikushaba ngo omukurembeze abe buri kimwe kyona omu maka gawe. So Joan, ninkwendeza obushwere burungi, ninkwendeza amaka marungi, ninkwendeza abana barungi. I wish everything for you. I wish you the best. I wish you a happy home. I wish you a happy marriage. I wish you everything that wherever you're going, may God be in the middle between you and Sam. And God work for you.
We thank God for today. We are so blessed. We've been waiting for this day for so long, and it has come to pass. Ninyenda kwebaza, nyonyenda kwebaza mbwenu. Tandikano kwebaza abantu bona, service providers, abantu abatahire embaga, the maids, and everyone at supporting the gate function. So briefly, I'll talk about my Joan, my sister, my beautiful sister. You have made a beautiful bride. Oh my God. Joan, she's my sister. She's my good friend, my childhood friend, my everything, my mentor. Oh my God. What else can I say about Joan? Come on, wakumanye byanje na Joan. We fought battles. We passed through everything together. Kama ya turabyabyona twahikaru nakolo. Joan Nkunda, I'm so proud of you. I love you so much. And Mr. Sam, you found a good woman, a good wife, so loving, hardworking. She's just a full package. May God bless your marriage. I wish you well, my sister. Thank you.
Nyenda kubanza kusiima Mukama ayatuhinisya munjeji Mukama n'omurungi. Is the beginning and is the end. We have always to praise Him and glorify Him. He's our good God. So, I would like just to have a moment of silence to pray for our mom and dad who left us here. I always pray God that their souls are in peace. Have a moment of silence, please, for like 1 minute. Amen. Yes. So, ngenda kubanza kusiima abantu mwena abija hambaga eki. Embaga ya John kukyesitinisa. Ngenda kusiima abataka. Right now, nimpa speech tweshamirisirize nk'abarunimba. Turuvingo shaheji. Ngenda kubanza kusiima abakuru b'eddiini abija kutukwatisaho omukolo ogwo. Ngenda kusiima Reverend Wiito kuruga Ruvingo, all the way from Ruvingo. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate you. You have been good to us. Thank you. Thank you. Ngenda kusiima abataka abaruga Ruvingo. People from our village. We don't take it for granted. You have loved us, and I know them. I will not mention all the names, but you guys have been there for us. I thank you so much for that love and courage that you have for us. I want to thank our guests. And I am welcoming our guests all the way from Kenya. Thank you so much for coming. We love you. Welcome to Kampala, Uganda. Usheng Ruvingo. Welcome. Ngenda kubanza kutwala mu kishogo kusiima abantu mwena abija ahambageji okugihisa ekitinisa. Indeed, John, you are blessed. Nona ninjira anti nja tona abantu nza kufuna abantu konka John, you are blessed. So mwebale munonga abantu ba contributing njire batishire sente abantu ba contributing njira for John. I thank you very much, you guys. Thank you for supporting us. I want to introduce my wife. She's called Bella. She's a medical practitioner. She works at Murago Hospital. She's mine. Thank you for taking care of me. Yes. In our family, from the same womb, same dad, we are 5 people. I'm the firstborn. I talk as a dad. I talk as a brother. I'm the firstborn, followed by Nelson and Jim. You have seen them here. Joanne, she's our firstborn. Our lastborn is Rachel. I want to thank them for being cooperative. We have been through together. We have been preparing Joanne's introduction. We have been preparing Joanne's giveaway. We have been working together as a family. I thank you guys. Keep that spirit. I appreciate it. I would like to thank Mr. Samson, all the way from Kenya, to choose Joan to be your wife. I know that in Kenya, there are some ladies around, very many ladies, but I thank you so much for your courage and resilience. I thank you so much for having a good decision to have Joan. One story I want to tell you guys is Mr. Samson proposed to Joan sometime back. It was almost 3 to 4 months back. The courage you have, you showed us. It was really great. Joan told me that, you know, brother, I've got a handsome man and he's from Kenya. I said, wow, okay. He said, you arrange the day and we meet him. I said, okay. I called my friends. There's Edison, there is Bro, Uncle Norman. We met this gentleman. We had fun. I thank you for your courage and decision. I was very surprised for your decision. Thank you so much. This is the gentleman we talked about the dowry, and he was very competent. That, you know what, me have made my decision, and we sat already and we discussed about the dowry. He said, it's okay, it's okay. So I have my funny friends, funny uncles. They said, now when are you paying that thing? Right? The man said, even tomorrow I can bring it. That is the seriousness and the courage. I would like just to thank you.
Thank you for honoring me that way. But I also want to thank you very much for hosting us. So I was here reminiscing about the past occurrences that we had. And going through, you know, so many things went through my head when our late sister Joyce passed and we were traveling for burial in the village. An accident happened, and in that accident there was Joan and Rachel. You imagine you are going to bury a mother of these two girls. These two girls get involved into an accident. Some 2 people die in that same accident, and these ones survive. God had a purpose for that. So Joan, it was a tense moment for us. We had 2 funerals at home. Then we had you and your sister and your other uncle in hospital. God had a purpose for that.
We can't say much, and we assure you that our Shemeji Joan is gonna be safe. We really thank you so much, and on behalf of Sam and all our brothers, we just wanted to say that you've given us a beautiful lady, and we are also giving her a handsome. So beauty and handsome together. God bless you, and may Almighty God bless your marriage. Asanteni sana.
Benangwe. Kabara barakata mukibogo enang kondorwani. Sumurule. Tanani tanani